Most people end up hurting. Squats are one of the best bodyweight exercises you can do. No equipment needed. You can do them anywhere, at home, in the park, even in a hotel room. But most people end up hurting themselves because their form is off. Mistake number 3. When your chest collapses and you lean ahead, the pressure shifts into your lower back instead of your legs. Beginners feel lower back. Mistake number 2. If your core isn't braced and your hips tuck under, your back ends up doing the work your glutes should be doing. Mistake number 1. Knees caving in. This valgus collapse puts massive stress on your knee joints. Break down the fix, starting with the chest. It doesn't mean puffing your chest up or leaning backward. It simply means lifting your chest just enough to keep your spine neutral. Shoulders retracted. Now pull your shoulder blades down and back. Not squeeze tight, just set in place. Up. Brace your core, push your hips back, and let your knees track outward over your toes. Fix your form, fix the pain, and squats become one of the safest and most powerful exercises you can do. Hit like, subscribe, and start your squat